Hey everyone, welcome back. Guys, in this video, you will learn to send the CRM contact of yours into a business proposal application automatically. So guys, many businesses use CRM applications to maintain a relationship with their customers and also a business proposal application to create different kind of business proposals for their clients. So here we have set up an automation by which you can automatically send the contacts that you have in CRM into a business proposal application as a client. Okay, so guys, here you do not need to manually sort out the details of the contacts from your CRM, and you do not have to manually add the same contacts into a business proposal application. So it will surely save a huge amount of your time and energy, and it will improve your productivity, and it will fast pace a very important business process of yours. Okay, so let me show you how this is going to work. So guys, this will be the flow of this automation. Here we are using Descara as a CRM, and you just have to add contacts there in Descara, and the same contact will be added as a client in Fresh Proposals application. Okay, Fresh Proposals is a business proposal application. And to set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, let's set up this automation together with me right now. So guys, we will set up this automation from the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and to reach here, you can use the link that we have pasted in the description for you, which is this pabbly.com/connect. And here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and log in to reach here. And when you log in, you will reach this page, and from here click on this Access Now button of Pabbly Connect, and you will reach the dashboard. And here you have to create a workflow of automation. To do that, just click here on this Create Workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So I am giving the name here as CRM to Fresh Proposals or Business Proposals application. Okay, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on Create, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, you will see the trigger and the action. Okay, so automation work on these two things. So we are going to set up this automation with the help of the trigger and the action. So the trigger is the event which is going to trigger or start the automation, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be addition of a contact in CRM, and the action towards that trigger would be to send the same contact into Fresh Proposals application as a client. Okay. So first of all, you need to set up this trigger. So from this choose app field, choose your trigger application. So in our case, we are using Descara as a CRM. So search for Descara here. This one, you can use Descara triggers application here. Okay, and in the Descara triggers, the trigger event would be addition of a new contact. So it will trigger the workflow when a contact is added in the books. Okay, select this, and then click on Connect, and from here you have to select Add New Connection, and then it will ask for the username and the password of Descara application. So Descara is this. We have Descara Books, we have Descara CRM, we have Descara People. Okay, so these are the three tools by Descara, and we are using Descara CRM application, and this is the dashboard of Descara CRM, and this is the contact section. Okay, so guys, to make the connection, you need to enter the credentials of Descara here in the username and the password. So I'm adding my credentials here. So after filling the credentials, you just have to click on Save, and you will be connected with Descara. Okay. So guys, after clicking on Save, you will be connected with Descara like this. It is showing here connected. Okay. Now you have to click on Save and Send Test Request, and it will start showing waiting for the response. So this means now you have to perform a test submission. So the test submission would be same as the trigger event, which is new contact. This means you have to create a test contact or a demo contact in Descara application, and we are going to capture the response of the newly added contact here, and with the help of that test data of a contact we are going to move forward. Okay, so this is my Deskera applications dashboard. Here I am going to create a new contact by clicking on this create contact button, and here you can give a name to this person. You can give any name. So we are creating a test contact here. Okay, you can add a photo also. You can put the organization's name. Okay, okay, you can provide a label to this person as well. So if it is a cold lead, warm lead, or hot lead, so I'm putting it here warm lead. You can enter the phone number details here like this. Here you have to provide an email address. Okay, so I'm putting random things here, and you can select the visibility. You can add the email address. Okay, we have done. So custom fields, we have a custom field also. You can put the email address of a consultant. Okay, for now I am leaving these things blank, and I am clicking on save here, and you can see Akib Javed added here successfully. A new contact get added here. Okay, so now let's check in Pabbly Connect workflow if we got the data of a new contact added or not. So here is our workflow, and you can see the data of the test contact get captured here like this. Okay, so it is showing the details, the name, okay, and all the things, the email address as well, and the related things that we have filled. Right now guys, I want to add this person as a client in my fresh proposals application so that we can create proposals for this person in near future. Okay, so for that to happen, we are going to use this action step, and from here I'm going to search for fresh proposals. Search for it. This is it. Select it, and the action event would be create client. Click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of fresh proposals. So guys, in fresh proposals you will find this integrations tab in the left hand side panel. Click on integrations, and here you will find this Pabbly icon. Click on Pabbly. Okay, and here you can generate a Pabbly key, or you can copy an existing Pabbly key if you have. Okay, or you can generate it by clicking on generate. So you have to copy this key guys, and you have to paste it here in this API key field in your workflow. Just paste it here like this, then click on save, and you will be connected with fresh proposals like this. Okay, and here it is asking the client's company name, the address, city, state, country, zip, and here you can see it is asking for the contact email, the first name and the last name. Okay, so we are going to map the test data from the first step where we have fetched the test details of a test client. Okay, and here you can see we have the name and the email address. Okay, and all the related things we got here. But guys, here you can see we got the name in this response. We got the name here as the full name. Okay, you can see the name is here as the full name, Akib Javed. But guys, we need to enter the name here separately as the first name and the last name. Okay, so we are going to separate this name from this label, and to separate the first name and the last name, we are going to use a feature by Pabbly which is called text formatter. Okay, so to separate the name, what you can do, just click here on this plus icon between these two steps. Click on the plus icon. Okay, and another action step will open up. From here, search for text formatter. This is text formatter. Select it. Okay, and the action event would be split text. Okay, so it will split a string into a list of substrings. Okay, then click on connect, and now it is asking which text you want to split. So here I am going to map the name that I have received in the first step. This label I am going to map here. Okay, so just click here and you will see this Deskera step in the drop down. So from here only you can see all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only map the name label. Okay, and in the separator I want to separate this first and the last name between this space. Okay, so you have to use this space as the separator. So to put space as a separator, you have to follow this format. Just copy this format, paste it here. Okay, so this will act as a separator space. Okay, and the segment index, select all. Okay, so you will see all things, the first and the last name getting separated. Just click on save and send test request, and you can see now in the result 0 label it is showing the first name, and the result 1 label it is showing the last name. Okay, so now we can map this. So guys, here it is asking for the client's company name. So guys, here if you have the data in the test data, if you have the company name, you can map it. Okay, so we do not have the company name here. So what we can do, we can enter some relevant text here. Let's say I am entering here from CRM. Okay, so it will be clear to us that from where this client is coming. Okay, so I'm entering here from CRM, or you can enter here the name of the CRM as well. From Descara CRM I'm entering here like this. Okay, right, and now it is asking for the address. So let's, okay, so now you can see when I'm clicking here, it is not showing us the previous step. Okay, this is because we have added a step in between the two steps. So to get the previous steps, you have to make the connection again. So just click on connected button, and from here select existing connection option and click on save again, and you will be connected again with fresh proposals like this. And now when you click here, you will see the two steps, previous steps. Okay, so from this first step, I'm going to map the address if I have. Okay, so it is not showing us the address. Not to worry, this is not a compulsory field. So okay, so these are the required things. Let's map the required fields here from the Descara step. The name of the person, the first name. Okay, so guys, we have used this text formatter to split the name. So from here only, I'm going to map this result 0 label, which have the first name. For the last name, use this text formatter again and map the last name. And for the email address, I'm going to use the first tab where we got that email address. Okay, this is it, map it. Okay, and if you have the mobile number captured, you can map that also. For now, I'm leaving these things blank. These are not compulsory things. Okay, now you can check your connection by clicking on save and send test request, and you will see a new client getting added here in fresh proposals application in this client section. Okay, so right now I have these clients. Let me check our connection. I'm clicking on save and send test request, and let's see what happens. And this is the response we have received here, guys. Let's check in fresh proposals if we got a new client added or not. So I'm refreshing my clients page, and here you can see Akib Javed got added here from the title from Descara CRM. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in real time, guys, and this is how you can automatically create a client in fresh proposals. Okay, so we are done setting up this automation. And guys, you have to set up this automation only once, like this. Connect Descara in the trigger. Okay, fetch the test data, and then in this action step, apply text formatter to separate the first name and the last name. Okay, like this. And then connect fresh proposal in the last step and map the required data like this. Okay, after that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, as and when you add a contact in your Descara CRM, a client will be added in fresh proposals automatically. And guys, the best part is you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.